10 home exercises to become taller in no time. We all want to be taller for one reason or the other, especially if our friends are much taller than we are. I mean, who wants to be called shorty? The question, though, is can any exercise make you grow taller or look taller? The answer is yes, and in this video, we will share with you those tall stretching exercises that will help you improve your height, especially as you age. Being tall comes with a lot of perks. Not only would it be easier to reach for things, but it also makes you feel more confident in the way you look. But not everyone is blessed with tall genes. Luckily, there are exercises you can do at home that will stretch your body and add a couple of additional inches to your height. 1. Backward leg raises. On a mat, lie on your belly and keep your hands clasped behind your neck. While keeping it straight, raise your right leg as high as you can. Hold the position for 2 seconds before setting your leg back down. Do the same for the left leg. Keep alternating between the two legs until you've done 20 in total, or 10 reps per leg. 2. Bar hanger. Find a bar or any other place you can hold on to and hang from. With your palms facing outwards, hold on to the bar and keep your hands around shoulder width apart. Keep your entire body relaxed as you hang on for 20 seconds. Let go and rest for 10 seconds before repeating the exercise. Repeat 3 times. 3. Cat stretch. On a mat, get on your hands and knees. Make sure you keep your arms straight and your elbows locked. Slowly inhale deeply. Tuck your head towards your chest and round your spine. Hold the position for 2 seconds. Slowly exhale while stretching your neck out and arching your back. Repeat the entire exercise 5 times. 4. Cobra pose. On a mat, lie on your belly. Place your palms right below your shoulders. Push your upper body up so that you resemble a posturing cobra. Hold the position for 30 seconds before releasing and resting on your belly. Repeat 3 times. 5. Downward dog. On a mat, lie on your belly with your arms at your sides. Place your palms at waist level and push your upper body up so you end up on your hands and knees. Get on your hands and toes and push your buttocks straight up so your body forms an inverted V. Hold the position for 3 deep breaths before slowly going back to your starting position. Repeat 3 times. 6. Forward bend. Stand with your feet close together. Bend at the hips and keep your knees locked. Go as low as you can. Ideally, your palms can touch the floor beside your feet, but it's okay if you can't get that far down on your first try. Hold the position as you take 2 deep breaths. Slowly come back up to your starting position. Rest for 10 seconds before repeating the exercise. Repeat 3 times. 7. Knee hops. Stand up straight with your feet around shoulder width apart. Raise both arms so your hands are above your head. Hop up and raise your right knee towards your chest. At the same time, lower your left elbow to meet your knee. Keep hopping with one leg until you've done 10 hops. Do the same for the other side. 8. Pelvic tilts. On a mat, lie on your back with your arms at your sides and palms facing down. Bend your knees and keep your feet planted firmly on the mat. Slowly tilt your buttocks forward towards your heels. That should draw your stomach in. Hold the position for 20 seconds before releasing it. Repeat 3 times. 9. Rollovers. On a mat, lie on your back with your arms at your sides and palms facing down by your hips. Keep your feet together and lift both legs so they're perpendicular to the floor. Harness enough momentum to bend backward so that your toes touch the floor above your head. Hold the position for 10 seconds. Go back to your starting position and rest for another 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. 10. Toe touches. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart. Raise your arms so they're parallel to the floor and your palms are facing down. Kick your right leg up so your toes touch your palms. Bring your right leg down and do the same for the left leg. Keep alternating between both legs until you've done 30 in total, or 15 per side. Although these exercises work by lengthening your spine, it might take some time and perseverance to observe significant results, but these 10 exercises have long been used to gain height. The best part is you can do them at home at your most convenient time. You can choose which ones you like or alternate between the 10. What matters is that you engage in some height-adding exercise regularly to get the results that you need sooner. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.